Welcome back, guys. So we finished our 30-day tobacco-free challenge, and I have since bought my first can of freaking Grizzly, and I don't know, not a whole lot has changed. Still not dipping as much, I guess you would say, as compared to what I used to, but I'm doing some freaking yard work today, so I look like crap. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. This is freaking America Day, that's why. As you guys know, we have a lot of freaking projects on the channel between the go-kart, the Warrior, the Harley, the Jeep, the Jetta, and the Duramax. So today, something that I would like to do is I'm gonna freaking hook up a charger to the batteries to see if I can't get the batteries to charge, and then we might work on the front end. So I did realize, I forgot, I need to get bolts to thread inside here so we can try to charge the two batteries. So that's going to be saved for another day. I'm going to have to run to Lowe's, get bolts to fit there. But, oh man, so many things in here. I mean, it's exciting. It's good. We need to get these two back out and running. This rides perfectly. Now this. I have all my old Jeep parts from when we made the Jeep lifted and put the aftermarket bumpers and everything like that on there. Plus the old 3rd gen Camaro parts are stuffed in the back of the Duramax right now. But, we have to get our grill painted so we can get everything mocked back up and find out if everything fits right. It hurts me, truthfully, to see the Duramax still sitting down here in the state that it's in, minus both freaking batteries, and not operable. The whole Duramax has just become a freaking storage unit in the meantime. So, I dropped my sunglasses. Let's get the grill out and get working. Also, a long story short, we had to go back and redo the Jeep wheels because when I added the clear coat to the initial 2 wheels that we did, we got like a really crazy run and like, I guess the mixture between the clear coat and the paint and ended up messing things up. So you guys will see these finished and installed onto the Jeep here in the next couple days. I think they'll look good. What do you guys think? I don't think they'll look bad. We're also redoing the shackles, the same color, which they already were, this bronze. So that'll be an update for later on this week. Let's get this grill hosed back down because it does have some dust on it from sanding it prior a couple weeks ago. So we're gonna get that soaked down, dried, masked off because we're gonna keep the middle portion here black. And then I'm debating what I want to do with the emblem because last time I tried to make the emblem maroon. It didn't turn out all that great. I mean, it looks good on camera, but in person, it doesn't look good at all. So after all of that, I decided I'm going to do the whole damn thing in maroon and then do the emblem black. So I took all the freaking tape off that we already were putting on in the last 2 clips. What's up, goofball? So we have this thing pretty much covered. Now I'm going to work on sanding this down and then painting it black. As many of you guys know that have been around on the channel for a long time, I have had nothing but freaking issues with this LB7. Now, I'm all for fixing it at this point. There's lots of things that I would want to ultimately do. We need tires, all the way around. I want to replace the wheels, but that's kind of the last thing that I'm really looking forward to changing to, because these rockers are pretty rotted. This door is shot. It's hard to tell at this angle, but it's all bubbled out. Probably open up inside here. Show you guys down on the bottom. It is just freaking rotted. Obviously we need 2 batteries, or figuring out the battery situation. We still don't know the answer with the injectors because I can't really drive it to go get the injectors tested. We have to get the grill back together, which is pretty much dry right now. Get the headlight assembly back in. More tire work. These rockers are terrible over on this side. And truthfully, I don't know, the previous owner put like this weird, I don't even know what it is, like textured thing to cover the rust, basically, all the way around. I would like to get new doors over time and have this whole body just completely redone. But here's the thing. Now I don't necessarily have to feel like I'm rushed to do it. Before, we were relying on this thing with being a daily driver. The Jeep needed to be repaired. The Jetta needed to be repaired. Where now the Jeep is fixed, the Jetta is fixed, I have the Harley. We can slowly piece this damn thing together and not feel like we're rushed to do it. Don't mind all the bird crap. Hi. What? Yeah, mommy's out here too. You're good. We're let's going. Yeah, we're let's going. But the cool thing about it now is we can take our time and actually do it right and spend the time and the money. And yes, I know people are going to be like, oh, it's not worth it. It's an LB7. But I'd much rather do it to an LB7 than dump a shit ton of money into a newer truck. So let's just redo this LB7 and make it a really clean LB7. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen within the next month. It's definitely not going to be like the next 30-day challenge. But I think maybe by winter we could have this thing completely done. And, you know, in the meantime, it might look goofy at points. We might have multicolored doors. We might have, you know, a green door here and a blue door back there, because that's what we found at the junkyard that wasn't rotted out. The unfortunate thing about living in Pennsylvania is they do salt the ever-loving shit out of the roads, so therefore we get a lot of rust. You guys even see it on my Jeep, which my Jeep has low mileage, but you can see it's starting to get a little bit of rust on the frame and different stuff like that. So it's something that I really want to take the time. If we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. We're going to take the bed off and we're going to clean the frame up, check, make sure that there's no issues on that end, and just completely redo it. So if you guys know anybody on the East Coast that has like a parts LB7 or an extended cab 02 GMC, let me know. I guess you could run technically like the doors from like the 99 Silverados all the way up through. So I'm definitely going to be in the market looking for new doors, that's for sure. Doing the rocker panels. Obviously the grill is here, so we're good on that end. Eventually someday I would like to do different bumpers on the front, but like I said, that's another thing that's going to be down the freaking road.
Is this that color? I
Yeah.
like how it looks black too.
Yeah. I don't think it looks bad. Fatty. What's going on a YouTube video, you idiot?
You can, well, it's fine. I have a card.